Welcome to the Luxtastic channel. Today we're gonna talk about the largest yacht in the world. The size of the global super yacht keeps on growing. The top largest yacht in the world now total a combine of 11,849 feet. In today's video we will check out some of the largest and most luxurious yachts in the world. Let's get right into it. Number 10. A. 568 feet 5 inches. Delivered in 2017, the futuristic look of sailing yacht. A includes smooth, silver metallic surfaces and windows that look nearly invisible, 3 composite masts that bend slightly, and a deck hidden by high bulwarks. The Philip Stork design is a wild fantasy yacht of the future. The 568-foot sailing yacht is a technical victory for German yard Nobis Krug, which developed composite fashion plates to create unusual shapes without compromising any strength or fluidity. It has the tallest freestanding composite mast on any sailing vessel, a diesel-electric propulsion system, and state-of-the-art navigation systems. The boat also reportedly has an underwater viewing platform in the keel. Number 9. Mahrousa 578 feet 1 inch. Mahrousa, which means the protected in Arabic, is currently Egypt's presidential yacht, though the 578-footer has a separated history as the country's royal yacht. The London-based Samuda brothers began the build in 1863, and it was launched in 1865. It was originally built for the Ottoman governor of Egypt and later carried 3 Egyptian kings into exile. The yacht was also at the opening of the Suez Canal in 1869. The world's oldest super yacht features an external design by the British naval architect Sir Oliver Lang and has multiple modifications over the years, including a lengthening by 40 feet in 1872. And another 17 feet in 1905. During the second refit, the owners replaced the paddle wheel's engines with turbine-driven propellers. The yacht, in care of Egyptian Navy, occasionally goes to sea for a day or two. In 2015, it was used to inaugurate the new Suez Canal. Number 8. Prince Abdulaziz, 482 feet 3 inches. The custom yacht, launched in 1984, was most recently refitted in 2005. The 5,200-ton Prince Abdulaziz is one of the Saudi royal family's yachts, its first owner being King Fahd. The yacht was the longest and tallest in the world at the time of its launch. At 482.3 feet, Prince Abdulaziz held the title for 22 years, until Dubai launched it in 2006. The late David Nightingale Hicks, known for his use of bright colors, was the interior designer. The lobby is said to be a replica of the Titanic, last refitted in 2005. It is rumored to be carrying surface-to-air missiles, though that may be an urban legend. Number 7. A+, 583 feet 1 inch. Very little is known about A+, which was launched in 2012, other than it is the fourth largest yacht ever built by the German shipyard. Tim Haywood designed the exterior, which features helipad on the foredeck and amidships on an upper deck. A lower aft deck includes a swimming pool. The German yard has not released any image of the Terence Disdale interior, reported to be owned by Manchester City Football Club owner Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed. Number 6. Al Said, 508 feet 5 inches. Another 500 plus foot yacht. The original Project Sunflower gained its official name of Al Said following its launch in 2016. The exterior is akin to a classic cruise liner, complete with the twin exhaust stack in the center of the superstructure. Owned by the Sultan of Oman, Al Said can carry 154 crew and, according to some sources, 17 guests. Al Said has a top speed of 22 knots. The London-based Redmond Whiteley Dixon studio designed the interior, which includes a concert hall that can hold a 15-piece orchestra. Number 5. Dilbar, 511 feet 8 inches. Espen Aino designed the exterior, created a full-body superstructure of long, flowing decks along with 2 helicopter pads. Dilbar also has an 82-foot swimming pool that can hold an incredible 6,357 cubic feet of water, and according to Lawrence is the world's longest on a yacht. The interior by winch design is defined by its rare and exclusive luxury materials, says the builder, declining to go into details. Lawrence added that the world's largest motor yacht was one of the most complex and challenging yachts ever built because of its dimensions and technology. The designers did a masterful job, making the yacht look relatively svelte, with no obvious bulges. Number 4. Dubai, 531 feet 5 inches, the largest yacht in the world by volume at the time it was built. Dubai was organically compromised by Prince Jeffrey Bulkai of Brunei. However, the ambitious project, which has a gross tonnage of 12,488, would go on to be passed around during the build process before being taken by the current owner, Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum of Dubai. Number 3. Eclipse, 533 feet 1 inch. The yacht delivered to billionaire Roman took 5 years to design and build. In 2010, it was the world's largest yacht. The interior has 70 stateroom and palatial master suite, with the capacity to carry 85 crew. Both interior and exterior are designed by Terence Disdale. A proportional profile is defined by tier decks that sweep upward and bend ever so slightly at the aft end. Number 2. Fulk Al Salamah, 538 feet 1 inch. Later information has been released about the world's second longest super yacht, custom-built Fulk Al Salamah, and it has been shrouded in mystery since first announced in 2014. Even the overall length of 538.1 feet has been estimated from AIS data. However, built and delivered by Italian builder Mariotti Yachts in 2016, the imposing vessel is believed to be owned by the Omani royal family. Number 1. Azzam, 592 feet 6 inches. It has held the record for the world's largest privately owned superyacht since 2013, but this 118-meter vessel was organically meant to be 35 meters shorter, built by Lawrence with guidance from engineer Mubarak Saad Al-Ahbabi. Azzam, which cost an estimated $600 million to construct, grew longer and longer during the optimization process.